Hello and welcome to another video, and in this video I team up with Jake and Zach from Smout Pressure Washing and Callum from Solar Secure to clean the skylights and the solar panels on this school. Callum and my part of this job is to clean the 50 skylights on the roof, and also there is 120 solar panels. We're cleaning on the roof. Jake and Zach are cleaning the gutters out all the way round, and also there's 6 polycarbonate shelters that they're going to clean off as well. See here, it's been quite a while since the windows have been cleaned. They're covered in algae and lichen. We used hot pure water at about 40 degrees and it brought them up really nicely, just stripping the algae straight off, and the lichen slid off as well. It was actually the first time that Callum done any window cleaning and used water-fed pole, but he made a really good job of it and picked it up straight away. Once he'd finished cleaning out all the gutters, Jake started on the polycarbonate roofs with his pressure washer.
I'd just like to take a very quick break in the video to tell you about something I've been trying. A lot of YouTube creators will have a Patreon account or have memberships. The reason for this is that YouTube actually pays a really small amount for video creators, especially with smaller channels. So I've signed up with something called Buy Me a Coffee. What it is, it's a website where you can make a one-off donation for the price of a coffee. It's a safe and secure site, and they don't keep your details on record and keep spamming you with useless information. So if you'd like to help me carry on making the content, go on, buy me a coffee. The link is in my description. Now, back to the video.
Knowing I was going to be doing some work on a roof and there was a fall arrest system fitted, I went and did some training with Fall Angel based in Kidderminster. Now it's time to clip on and start on the solar panels. The solar panels weren't actually too bad. There was a few lichen spots, but it was mostly just algae and a bit of dust covering the surface. clean the panels, I use my rocker brush and the silicone finger pad solar cleaning pads from Reach It. Once again, we were using hot pure water to clean the panels, which brought them up really well. All that was left to do now was to clean the final two windows and the bottom panel and the leading edge to make sure it all looked great from the floor. Here is the finished results. Finally, as Jake hadn't quite finished all the shelters, we just did this bit of an entrance porch, so I soaked it all with Synergy Pro. There'll be a link in the description below to that, and left this for about 15 minutes and then gave it a wash off. It was really good working with Jake, Zach and Callum. Really enjoyed the day's work. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.